Looking to level up your cooking skills? We've got you. Welcome to Mastering Dough, where today you'll be learning how to make wontons.
The best part about Cantonese cuisine is that it champions clean flavors. It highlights the quality of ingredients and enhances their flavors instead of masking them. I'm Jay Chan, and today I'm making steamed pork and shrimp wontons with sesame cucumber salad and soy dipping sauce. I'm going to show you step by step how to make the wontons, and I promise it's a lot less intimidating than it sounds. Alright, I've already minced my ginger and garlic and sliced my scallions, so it's time to focus on one of the main ingredients, the shrimp. We'll rinse these under cold water and pat them dry with paper towels, and we're ready to chop. So we're just going to chop these up. It's easy to do them in a pile. These don't have to be perfect, but we want them to be no larger than a pea, and we want them to be fairly equal in size. We're going to mix all of our delicious ingredients together. We have shrimp, pork, scallion whites, garlic, ginger, 2 teaspoons of sugar, cornstarch, half of the sesame oil, half of the soy sauce, and a large pinch of salt. The meatiness of the pork and the sweetness of the shrimp are a classic combination in Cantonese cuisine, and we've added a few ingredients here to enhance their flavors. The soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, and salt bring out the savoriness, while the ginger, scallion, and sugar make it fresh and sweet. Now let's get to folding. I'm going to show you a few different folding styles, but here's the one we're using for this recipe. So you're going to take one wonton wrapper and place about a tablespoon or so of shrimp and pork filling in the center. We're going to brush the edges with water. I'm using my finger here, but you can use a brush. Then we're going to fold and pinch the 2 opposite corners like this, and then we're going to take the other 2 and bring them to the center and pinch them all together like this. There's no wrong way to do this. The only thing we need to make sure is that all the edges are sealed. Using water is going to help us get a nice seal. We want to make sure we're pinching pretty firmly, and after they've been sitting for 30 to 60 seconds as we're making more, we can take a look, and if there's any cracks or openings along the edges, we can just pinch them closed. The shape we're using for this recipe ensures a flat surface. That'll get us a nice sear. There are many other shapes too for folding wontons. This one is Shanghai style. This style is very simple, great for kids. We're just gonna make triangles. It's time to cook. Heat a generous drizzle of oil into the pan over medium-high heat. We'll let this oil heat up and then we'll add the wontons. Seam side up and flat side down. And we're gonna leave them in the pan for 1 to 2 minutes until they get nice and golden brown. We're going to add 3/4 cup of water and immediately cover it with a tight-fitting lid. Steam the wontons for 6 to 7 minutes until the filling is fully cooked. If there's any water left after that time, you can just cook it uncovered until the water is gone. And there you have your mouth-watering wontons. Best ones I've made yet. Kudos to the chef. It's me.